Well, hi, YouTubers. It's the old dog and the young beauty queen coming at you here from Siquijor Island.
Yes,
How you liking your trip to Siquijor, baby May?
I'm first time in Siquijor, so I'm very happy. And thank you so much, Daddy, for you bring me here.
Absolutely, baby May. And we came with a couple of friends. We came with Jenny and AJ.
Yeah.
Jenny's got Miss V Diary, right?
Yes.
And we came with Ian,
Yeah.
Sir Ian.
Sir Ian.
Yeah.
And then with girlfriend being
With what?
with Sir Ian, the girlfriend is being.
Bing. That's
Bing.
right. She was the overseas foreign worker that did another video with us. Hey, good. Our stuff is blowing away. So I know the aperture is weird on this, and we keep fading in and out, but that's just how we roll here at the Old Dog channel, because we don't have any expensive equipment. We just use my phone, and hopefully it won't blow over. But I do have my new fancy microphone, so hopefully you don't hear all the wind noise. So anyway, we've been here 2 days, 2 nights. We've had a chance to do some bonding, and the hotel is owned by some Chinese folks, and it looks like the Chinese are pretty much buying up most of Siquijor. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, it was kind of it's been a good vacation. It was fun to hang out with Ian. It's always good to see AJ and Miss V and everything. But every time I take a trip, I learn something, and so I make my mistakes each and every time, and they usually cost me a little bit of money. So the lesson I learned on this little trip was to bring a lot of stuff such as snacks, water,
Yeah.
Coffee, all that, because it gets very expensive. Sometimes you're stranded here in the resort, and you're kind of captive to their prices. Their prices were about quadruple. Did I mention that a Chinese fellow owns it?
Yeah.
So that's my little tidbit for today about traveling. It's my third time here to Siquijor. The first time was an absolute positive disaster. The second time I came with a group of people, and one of them was very familiar with the island, and we drove motorbikes all over the place and and got a viewpoint. And this one is the best one because I came with baby May.
Yeah.
And so it was an opportunity for her to see. Now, we didn't do a lot of traveling, did we? We just kind of hung out here at the resort and relaxed. They have 2 pools.
Yeah.
They have a jacuzzi.
Yeah.
They have a little swing over there that
Yeah,
you can't see in this shot, and you never will, so sorry. And we just mostly spent time with our friends and just kind of relaxed. Baby May's got to do the selfies. How many? And she went okai,
Yeah,
right?
yes.
So what? Tell them about the okai. She loves a bargain. What'd you buy at the okai?
For her, swimsuit and jumper.
And a jumper
Yeah.
and some shorts, right? Didn't you
Yeah.
get shorts?
Yeah, and then
So you love bikinis,
yeah, I love bikini.
and you love to model bikinis.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. So you like being in the thumbnails, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now some guys think I put you in the thumbnails just to make them look at the video.
Yeah.
But isn't it your idea to be in the bikini?
Yeah.
Okay. Just want to clarify that with everybody. So what was your best part about being here in Siquijor? It's the island of witches. Did you see any witches?
It's very nice view.
Yeah.
Nice swimming pool.
Yeah. How about the food?
It's okay.
She's too polite.
No comment. I don't like for the.
I'll share something with you. Baby May passed out last night at 5:30. She's very weak because she's gone 2 days without what? What have you not had for 2 days?
No eat rice.
No eat the rice.
So I getting weak.
Rice is
Yeah.
life.
Yeah.
So I guess next time we'll bring a rice cooker, huh? Actually, I really like over here in Siquijor. And you know what? If you play it smarter than me, which is really easy to do, you can do it on a budget. Right now, there's the big virus going around, or the big virus scare going around. And so this is a real big destination for Korean guys, Chinese guys, and their families. They like to come here. A lot of, like I mentioned, Chinese and Koreans are buying up land and building resorts left and right, and they're actually catering to that crowd. And so, for example, the menu here is in English and it's in Chinese. And we have a boat going by, just in case you wanted some extra sound effects. And so what's happened is, with this virus scare going around, none of the Chinese or the Koreans can come here. In fact, we were inspected with guns. They took our temperature at the port when we came in. We had to fill in a form that asked if we had gone to any of those countries. And as usual, I felt the form was kind of useless, because all you did was say yes or no, and I don't think anybody would admit to it. But anyway, that's how we roll here in the Philippines. So right now, prices are really, really inexpensive. I got this room for 1,721 pesos, which is about 30 some odd dollars for a night. So we actually stayed for 2 nights. We were just going to stay for 1, but we extended the stay. And the ferry coming over is 200 pesos per person. So that's, what is that, $4 a person? So $8, it's $16 to get me and Mae round trip from Dumaguete to Siquijor. Rented a scooter. That was 350 pesos. That's $7 to rent a scooter for 24 hours. I can bring my own scooter over here, but I think if I do the math, and I only stay for 2 or 3 days, the hassle factor and all that, it's easier just to go ahead and rent one. You can rent one right at the port, drive it to your hotel, or your resort rather, and then have that to enjoy. Siquijor is a very, very easy island to navigate. It's got a road that kind of like circumvent the entire island. The roads are in really good shape. There's not a bunch of trikes and jeepneys. Oh, do they even have jeepneys here?
I'm not seeing.
I didn't see any jeepneys.
Yeah.
So I don't see a lot of cars on the road. Mostly it's some trikes and some motorbikes is the mode of transportation here. So driving over here is really pleasurable. And I'm kind of 50-50 right now on extending the stay 1 more day. I don't know. I'll pull that trigger in 30 minutes. So anyway, that's kind of our little report from Siquijor. Now, Mae's channel is really the reason I wanted to talk to you guys today. Mae's channel is Mae's Cooking, and it's M-A-E, and M-A-E is all caps, and then Cooking, which is all lowercase. So some guys have been having a hard time finding the channel when they Google it, and if I can figure it out, I'll stick a link on here. But she's got like, what, 400 subscribers now?
I think so.
I think so.
Yeah, but thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it.
Yeah, she does.
Yeah.
And she's doing really good. I'm really, really proud of her, because she's learning how to edit. Her English is getting better every day. The food she makes for me is super yummy, so I love that. And she's breaking it up a little bit. She went to the Okai store by our house and did some shopping and put it up on her channel. So she's getting diverse. And I recommended that she do a little tour of the resort here. I don't think she's going to do it, because we could have a cooking, shopping, and travel channel for baby Mae. I also asked her, could I be a guest on her show, and she said absolutely not. I said, that's a good move. So subscribe to little baby Mae's cooking channel.
Yeah, guys.
Watch it, give her a thumbs up. And baby Mae, you got 2 thumbs down or something, didn't you? On one of your videos? Didn't somebody do a thumbs down on your video?
Yeah, 1.
Yeah, it really hurt her
Yes,
feelings.
guys.
So knock it off. Okay, you know what it is? It's one of those gays.
Let's
It's one
guys
of those.
do not doing that because I'm first member in the YouTube.
I think, you know, if you put a thumbs down, you must be one of those gay guys. See, that's why I can't ever get monetized, because I say stuff like that. But you know, gay just means that you're happy. So I don't know why everybody gets so upset about that. So some really happy guy is giving you a thumbs down. I don't know. I just find it very queer to put a thumbs down like that. Anyway, I guess we'll wrap it up. Anything else you want to talk about?
No.
How many bikinis do you own now?
3.
3?
Yeah.
No, you got more than that.
Yeah,
You just bought 3
Yeah, in the apartment.
in the apartment. How many do you have here?
All is 6.
6 altogether.
Yeah.
Okay. So, well, we'll have to do a bikini segment one day. What do you think about that? Good idea?
Yeah.
Hey, where's your hat?
Oh, it's there.
You want to put your hat on?
Yeah.
Check this out. It's now Paul's fashion channel. All right. So, see you later. Hasta la taco from Paul and Baby Mae. Anything else you want to tell them?
Yeah, I would like to thank you to first, I thank you to God, and then second, I thank you to Miss B for the jacket from Okay.
Wow, a gift.
Yeah.
And what did you guys get me?
Oh, it's more.
What'd you get me?
You.
Nothing.
Secret.
Yeah, secret.
I think secret.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. And make sure that you subscribe to Little Baby Mae's cooking channel.
Yeah, please,
you will
guys.
not be disappointed. All right? Because she can get monetized, whereas I never will. All right. See you later.
Bye-bye, guys.